Hi guys, I will explain about the rest of the 자음, that is consonant. 자음. In Korea, 자음, that is a consonant. Look, 이음, this is 이음, 이음, 이음. Yeah. In this case, they have two pronunciation. First, they don't have any pronunciation. And then second is ng. Difference is first, when you use ion between other board at the time, ion have a non-pronunciation. So just you speak board. In this case, ion plus e equal e. E equal e. E. Yeah. But in second case is when we use ion under other word and ion in this time, yeah, first ion have no pronunciation, so e, but ion is under the other word. Yeah, at the time, in, yeah, look, I, because no pronunciation, and the I pronunciation, and then ng, because ion is located on the other word. At the time, in, ing, yeah. So in, yeah. If you have a question or something like that, just DM me or what is that? Oh, test me in this video. Anyway, next, 지읒, 지읒, 지읒. That is a J. Look, 지읒 plus E. This is a G. Yeah. And then second is a 치. Yeah. In this case, 치읒. Yeah. Sounds like ch. ch. So 치. 치읒 plus E equal 치. Yeah. And then this is a Q. So Q. This sounds like a k. Yeah. So Q plus E equal key. Yeah, key. And then this is tig. Yeah, tig. This is a T. So tig plus E. I equal T. And then this is a P. So this is a P. So P plus I. E have a I pronunciation. So P. And then he. This is a he, yeah, he, this is not high. He, yeah, H, this is H. So, here plus E equal he, yeah. So, he, not high, yeah. And then, look, sometimes you see like this Korean consonant in the drama or something like that. So, we used to say this is 쌍, 기역, 쌍, 디귿, 쌍, 시옷, 쌍, 비읍, 쌍, 지읒. 쌍 means double. Yeah. So double 기역, double 디귿, double 시옷, double 비읍, double 지읒. Yeah. 쌍 is double. So 기역 plus 기역. 끄, GG. That sounds like a GG. 끄. Yeah. So 쌍리읍 plus I mean E. Yeah. E is a 끼. Like this. GG plus I. 끼. Yeah. This is the same. 디귿 have a D pronunciation. So D plus D. 뜨. Yeah. So in this case, D. Yeah. Actually, if someone who is a Korean speak to you, D and D, yeah, it is a little harder to distinguish between these because GG and DD is sometimes it sounds similar. So you should distinguish these words in from whole sentence. Yeah. Anyway, next. Other is the same. Yeah. Look. 쌍시옷. This is a 시옷 plus 시옷. So S. 쌍시옷. 스. Yeah. SS plus I. 시. This is same. 비읍 and 비읍. This is a 쌍비읍. 뿌. Yeah. BB plus I. B. Yeah. There is one more consonant. Yeah. This is the last consonant. Yeah. I told you 지읒 have a J pronunciation. Yeah. So this is the same. 지읒 plus 지읒. J plus J. This JJ. So 쌍지읒 plus E equal 찌. Alright? Yeah, that's right. Consonant is easy. Yeah. This is my last consonant lesson. I will explain about bore in next lesson. See ya.